Bakingxxx video, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid 6 most common mistakes when melting chocolate in the microwave. If you have ever tried to melt chocolate but end up with a burnt and grainy mess, you are not alone. We will go over each mistake and most importantly how to fix them, so you will have that smooth chocolate every time, ready for drizzling or dipping. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. First up is a simple but common mistake. It's putting the entire chocolate bar into the microwave without breaking it down first. Large chunks take longer to melt and is likely to burn on the outside. To fix this, chop the chocolate finely or use chocolate chips instead. Chips are already small, so they will melt evenly. Spending a few minutes chopping up your chocolate will give you a smooth and quicker melt. Let's talk about the containers. The container you use can affect the melting process. Avoid using metal or non-microwave safe containers, as they can cause uneven heating and potentially damage the chocolate. Go for microwave safe plastic, as they distribute heat more evenly. Now onto the microwave setting. Chocolate is really sensitive to heat, so too much heat can make it seize. To avoid this, start by lowering your microwave setting to 50%. Instead of just setting the microwave timer for 1 minute, break it down into smaller intervals. Start with 30 seconds. Then take it out and using a spatula to stir it. Then put it back to the microwave and heat it for 20 seconds. Then take it out and stir it again. Then put it back into the microwave and finally 10 seconds. Give it a stir, even it doesn't look like the chocolate is melting. Chocolate softens from inside out, so stirring between each interval helps the heat distribute evenly. Repeat until most of the chocolate is melted. Stop microwaving it. The residual heat will be enough to melt the rest of the chocolate without risking overheating it. An important tip here: don't microwave more than 30 seconds at a time because it is very likely that it will be burned. Mistake number 4 is not stirring frequently enough. Chocolate melts unevenly in the microwave, so you have to stir it between each interval. Using a heat-resistant spatula, scrape down the bowl, making sure every bit of the chocolate is even. One of the biggest mistakes is letting moisture into your chocolate. Any water in the bowl or on the spatula can make the chocolate seize up. To avoid this, make sure everything you use is completely dry. Finally, don't forget that different chocolate need different care. Dark, milk, and white chocolate melt at different rates because of their cocoa content. Milk and white chocolate are especially delicate, so you will want to lower the microwave power. That's it! 6 simple fixes to make sure you perfectly melted the chocolate every time. Avoid these common mistakes, you will have the chocolate that is glossy and smooth, ready for drizzling or dipping. If you want to incorporate small chocolate into your cake, then check out my video on how to make silky ganache. Ganache is a rich chocolate sauce that's perfect for frosting or cake filling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more baking tips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried these tips or if you have got other chocolate melting questions. I will see you in my next one. Bye!